and Pin. Today I will share how did I make this Spider-Man cake for you guys. Woo! So journey fine craft window need to be skeleton first. Then you can make you can see the shape more better. So we use a flowery wire for the bones, and of course, before I show you, you need to find the picture first. Follow the picture, make the paws. After you finish the bone, use the food glue, or also you can use water. And stick the fondant, piece of fondant on the bone. No need to sew detail first. So you can check if some place need more muscle, you just add more fondant on. In some place need less muscle, you just cut down the fondant. Just be very patient. I think I make the dough probably over 8 hours to finish one dough. So 2 dough is like 15-16 hours. That's have to take a lot of time. Now I can kind of finish the top part. Now the bottom part and the leg, just piece by piece, stick on. And use your tools to slowly, carefully make the close wrinkles. Because the red Spider-Man will be upside down on the cake, so we always take out to check how it will be look. Also, you can use a scissor to cut some parts you don't want. So now we make the boots. Yeah, I think here I separate, make the feet first. Because this video I made 2020. But too busy, so I don't have time to update my new videos. Now I just trying to keep update every week, so I have lots old videos I will try to post on my YouTube channel. Now we make the head. After make the head, just put by the side, dry a little bit. Now we make a arm. It seems like a leg. Glue on. Cut some parts you don't like. Make the shape looks better. And then put the head back. You have to lay the head dry enough. Then when you put back on the head, the shape will not change, will be not squeezed. This part should be the Yeah, the eyes. This is really hard because you can see the door so small. So you always can fix. Like I make the eyes here, the first time make too small, then I add another piece, another bigger piece. Will looks better. Then let the red Spiderman dry. Then I will make the blank one. Then we'll make the blank one. Because their clothes kind of very tight, so we have to make the muscle. I'm kind of like this one better, the blank one, the muscle. Looks very muscle guy. Make a fondant, any kind of fondant stuff because your arm kind of warm, your hand kind of warm, so you work a long time, you will get more soft. So you have to put by the side and let them dry, then work back on, much easier. If the fondant too soft, really so hard to make the shape. You can see I make some parts, then make a lot of parts, so that's give the fondant enough time to dry. This is the arm and the finger. Here you can use a scissor or you can use a knife, either way, it doesn't matter. Same like the red eye. And back to the blank eye again. If my video kind of confusing you, I apologize. Because I'm still learning how to edit the video. Try to get better. So now we just use the food color to paint the spider guy, the Spider-Man clothes. I think we done really Spider-Man, so we are doing Hulk fist. Actually, when I do this fondant really soft. I spend a lot of time to dry a little bit, work on, then dry a little bit, work on, take a lot of time. Because put a lot of food color, green food color in there to make the fondant really soft. Because you have to show people how strong the face is. It's not soft. So better you just lay the fondant dry, then you shape it much easier. I think we done all the fondant, so now we are doing the cake. Put on the gray buttercream, then full color draw the bricks. Then put the sticks on the face. Stick the face in the cake. And put a third tier on the cake. That's 4-inch. The cake part, I'm not sure too much how to make, because I think if you make the fondant cake, for sure you know how to make the cake, tear the cake, right? So if you guys need to know how do I tear those cakes, next time I will make a video how did I put the stick hold the tears cake. I will make the video next time. Just leave the comment for me. Now you can see all Spider-Man. Every Spider-Man put the sticks, two sticks, or any sticks smaller. Put back the stick on the cake. Then when you're driving, the door will not fall down. So we're done. Most I show you guys how did I make the door. So if you're watching to here, that's long time. I really appreciate it. You spend your time and your patience to watch my video. Thank you very much. If you have any kind of question, just leave the comment to me. I will answer you. I hope you like this cake. If you like this cake, please subscribe me and thumbs up. Thank you so much. And thank you spend your time to watching. Bye.